Gummy bears. Those tiny, colorful, chewy delights that bring a smile to faces young and old. Whether you're a fan of the classic fruity flavors or the more adventurous sour varieties, gummy bears have a way of making any day a little sweeter. These chewy, fruity treats are more than just candy. They're a cultural icon. From movie theaters to birthday parties, gummy bears have found their way into our hearts and our snack bowls. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes them so irresistible? Let's take a moment to appreciate the journey of these bite-sized bears. Have you ever wondered how they come to life? What goes into creating their perfect texture, their vibrant colors, and their unmistakable fruity aroma? The secret lies in a fascinating combination of science, artistry, and a touch of magic. From the precise measurements of ingredients to the intricate molding process, every gummy bear is a tiny masterpiece. Today, we're going behind the scenes to uncover the mystery of gummy bear creation. From the bustling factory floors where the magic begins to the packaging lines that ensure every bear reaches you in perfect condition, there's a lot more to these treats than meets the eye. It all starts with a simple mix of sugar, gelatin, and flavoring. But don't be fooled by the simplicity. Each step of the process is carefully designed to create that perfect gummy texture we all love. The liquid mixture is poured into bear-shaped molds where it begins its transformation. Did you know that gummy bears have a history dating back nearly a century? Invented in Germany in the 1920s, these little bears have come a long way. We'll explore their origins, the science behind their bounciness, and how they've evolved into the global phenomenon they are today. So buckle up, candy lovers. Whether you're here for the science, the history, or just the sheer deliciousness, this is going to be a gummylicious ride you won't want to miss. Let's dive into the sweet, chewy world of gummy bears and uncover the secrets behind their enduring charm. Every great culinary creation starts with the right ingredients. Whether it's a decadent chocolate cake, a savory stew, or a simple loaf of bread, the magic lies in the perfect combination of components. And when it comes to gummy bears, the story is no different. These tiny, chewy treats may seem simple, but their creation is a fascinating blend of science, art, and a touch of whimsy. Gummy bears are no exception to the rule. Behind their playful shapes and vibrant colors lies a carefully crafted recipe that has been perfected over decades. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in delivering the texture, flavor, and visual appeal that gummy lovers adore. Our star players: sugar, gelatin, and a dash of flavor and color. These four elements come together in perfect harmony to create the gummy bear's irresistible charm. But what makes each of these ingredients so special? Let's take a closer look. Sugar, the sweet backbone, provides the candy with its delightful sweetness and characteristic chew. It's not just about the taste. Sugar also plays a key role in the gummy bear's structure, helping to create that perfect balance of firmness and softness. Without sugar, gummy bears simply wouldn't be the same. Gelatin, a protein derived from collagen, is the secret weapon behind the gummy bear's signature bounce. This ingredient is what gives gummy bears their unique texture, allowing them to stretch and spring back with every bite. Derived from animal collagen, gelatin undergoes a transformation during the candy-making process, turning into the elastic, chewy substance we all know and love. And of course, we can't forget the flavor. Flavor is what brings gummy bears to life, turning them from a simple sweet treat into a delightful sensory experience. Whether it's the zing of citrus or the sweetness of berries, each flavor is carefully chosen to complement the candy's texture and sweetness. From tangy lemon to sweet strawberry, natural and artificial flavors are added to create a rainbow of fruity goodness. These flavors are meticulously blended to ensure consistency and quality, so every gummy bear tastes just as delicious as the last. A touch of food coloring completes the visual masterpiece, transforming the gummy mixture into a vibrant spectacle. These colors aren't just for show. They help to create the playful, eye-catching appearance that makes gummy bears so iconic. From bright reds to sunny yellows and deep blues, the colors are as much a part of the experience as the flavors themselves. Together, these ingredients form the foundation of a treat that has captured hearts and taste buds around the world. So the next time you pop a gummy bear into your mouth, take a moment to appreciate the artistry and science that went into creating this tiny, chewy delight. Now let's head over to the Gummy Bear Factory, where the real magic happens. Picture this: giant stainless steel kettles filled with sugar, water, and gelatin, simmering away like a witch's brew. The mixture heats up, the sugar dissolves, and the gelatin melts, transforming the ingredients into a glistening, gooey concoction. This is where the science gets interesting. As the gelatin melts, its protein molecules unwind, creating a tangled web that gives the gummy bear its unique texture. Think of it like a microscopic jungle gym, ready to trap water and sugar molecules. Next stop, the molding station. Here, the hot liquid gummy mixture is carefully poured into trays with countless bear-shaped molds. It's like a gummy bear assembly line, with each mold meticulously filled to the brim. As the mixture cools, the gelatin molecules begin to reconnect, forming a solid gel. The sugar and flavor molecules become trapped within this gel network, resulting in those perfectly formed, bite-sized gummy bears we all know and love. So, what gives gummy bears their signature bounce? It's a question you might not have thought about while enjoying these chewy delights, but the answer lies in the fascinating world of food science. Well, you guessed it, it's gelatin. This humble ingredient is the unsung hero behind the gummy bear's unique texture. Derived from collagen, gelatin is a protein that comes from animal connective tissues. When processed, it transforms into a versatile ingredient that can create everything from jiggly desserts to, yes, bouncy gummy bears. The magic happens when gelatin is mixed with water and heated. The heat causes the gelatin molecules to unravel and form a tangled network as they cool. This network acts kind of like a spring, giving gummy bears their delightful chewiness and elasticity. It's a perfect balance of science and art. When you bite into a gummy bear, you're basically compressing this network of gelatin molecules. The pressure temporarily disrupts the structure, but it doesn't break. Instead, it absorbs the force, creating that satisfying resistance you feel with every chew. Then, when you release the pressure, the gelatin springs back to its original shape. This elasticity is what gives gummy bears their iconic bounce. It's almost like they're alive, responding to your touch and bite in a way that's both playful and satisfying. But it's not just the gelatin that makes gummy bears so special. The combination of sugar, gelatin, and flavoring creates a texture that's firm yet yielding, chewy yet bouncy. The sugar adds sweetness and structure, while the flavoring ensures every bite is a burst of deliciousness. Honestly, it's like a scientific marvel disguised as a delicious treat. Every gummy bear is a tiny masterpiece of chemistry and engineering, designed to bring joy with every bite. So the next time you pop one into your mouth, take a moment to appreciate the science behind the bounce. Once our gummy bears have cooled and solidified, they're ready for their grand finale packaging. They're carefully released from their molds, inspected for any imperfections, and then sent down the line to be bagged up and shipped out. From giant bags to individual packs, gummy bears find their way into supermarkets, convenience stores, and candy shops worldwide. They're a global phenomenon, bringing smiles and sweet satisfaction to people of all ages. One of the best things about gummy bears is the sheer variety of flavors. From classic fruity flavors like strawberry, raspberry, and lemon to more exotic options like pineapple, mango, and even cola, there's a gummy bear flavor for every palate. Some gummy bears even come in sour varieties, coated with a tart powder that adds an extra burst of flavor. And let's not forget about sugar-free options, made with alternative sweeteners for those watching their sugar intake. For many of us, gummy bears hold a special place in our hearts. Remember those childhood birthday parties where gummy bears were a staple in the goodie bags? Or those movie nights with friends where a bag of gummy bears was the perfect snack to share? Gummy bears have a way of transporting us back to those carefree days, filled with laughter, fun, and of course, plenty of sweet treats. They're a reminder that sometimes the simplest things in life are the sweetest. From their humble beginnings in Germany to their global stardom, gummy bears have come a long way. They've evolved over the years with new flavors, shapes, and sizes constantly emerging. But one thing remains constant: their ability to bring joy to people all over the world. So the next time you pop a gummy bear into your mouth, take a moment to appreciate the science, the history, and the sheer ingenuity behind this beloved candy. It's a testament to the power of creativity, innovation, and of course, a little bit of sugar.